Hi guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you the easy way to pin a post on your Facebook profile. If you've been searching for how to pin a message on your Facebook profile, search no more. This video is made just for you. Before we dive in, if this is your first time watching my video, click the subscribe button and join our community. We share tips and tricks to make your social media experience smoother and more enjoyable. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new content. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Facebook application on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to use. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your credentials and sign in. Once you're logged in, click on the profile icon at the top or bottom of your screen. This will take you to your Facebook profile. Now that you're on your profile, scroll down to find the post you wish to pin. This could be an important announcement, a special memory, or anything you want to keep at the top of your profile. Take your time to decide which post you want to highlight. Once you've found the post, tap the three dots at the top right corner of that post. A menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, select Pin Post. After you select it, the post will be pinned to the top of your profile. Now, whenever you or anyone else visits your profile, this pinned post will be the first thing they see. In case you change your mind and want to unpin the post, don't worry, it's just as simple. Follow the same procedure by clicking the three dots on the pinned post. Then select Unpin Post. The post will return to its original position on your timeline. And that's all for pinning posts on Facebook. It's a great way to keep important content visible and easily accessible. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to click the subscribe button to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. I love hearing from you. See you in my next video. Bye for now.